Hi everyone! In this video, we will learn the meaning of the Turkish idiom Damarına Basmak. So let's start. Damarına Basmak. Damarına Basmak. Damarına Basmak. Now, the literal meaning of the Turkish idiom Damarına Basmak is to push or press someone's ween, while the figurative meaning of the idiom is to tread on one's corns, to push one's buttons, or to touch one's sore spot. In essence, it means to hurt or offend someone by touching on a sensitive subject for that specific person. Let's see some examples now. Damarıma basma, zaten kızgınım. Don't tread on my corns. I'm already angry. Damarıma basma, zaten kızgınım. Niye damarımıza basıyorsun? Why are you treading on our corns? Niye damarımıza basıyorsun? Damarıma bastılar diye kavga ettim. I fought because they tread on my corns. Damarıma bastılar diye kavga ettim. That's it. See you in the next lessons. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel below for more videos on Turkish grammar, vocabulary and pronunciation. Also, if you think this video can benefit somebody else, please share it with them. Last, if you have any comment or request, please provide your feedback in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible.